Hello, math lovers. This is James from Southern California. Today I'll keep sharing another three problems on solve equations. Okay, for this problem, when 75% of a cup is filled with beverage, the cup and water weigh 8 kilograms. When the cup is left 70% empty, its total weight is B kilograms. In terms of A and B, what is the total weight in kilograms when the cup is filled with water? Yeah, I suppose here the beverage is not right word. Let's just uniform them to liquid as water. Anyway. So here, suppose has two variables we need to solve. One is what's the weight for a cup of water, and another is the weight of the cup itself. So let me just use the letter, for example, for water, I just call it W. For cup, I just call it C. So per the mean here, we should have 70% of a cup. That means it's 3/4. So 3/4 water plus the cup. So equal to A. Then here left 70% empty, means the water is 30% filled. Call it 3/10 W plus the cup's weight equal to B, right? Okay. Now we need to solve W and C. Then finally, our purpose is to get W plus C, the sum of W and C. Okay. Anyway, so this is easy to say. Let these two equations add each other. We have minus 3/10 W equal to A minus B. So this is just 20. Yeah, you've got 20. Anyway, here is 9/20 W equal to A minus B. Okay. Yeah, here I want to mention our purpose is not to figure out what is W separately or C separately. Our purpose is just here. So maybe we don't really need to solve what the W or C exactly is. Instead, we always keep watching our purpose is the sum of W and C. Then what is mean? We can change this a little bit. Yeah, what I mean is this. Let's have a W plus C. Then suppose how 3/4 W go to W. You just add a quarter W. So this side also add quarter W and A. Right? They are the equivalent. Then keep going. As here we already know. Oh yeah, we can have one more step. W equal to 20/9 A minus B, right? Then keep going. We have quarter W. Then just means 5/9 A minus B. So let this go to 9/9 A, right? So combine that term. We have 14/9 A minus 5/9 B. Okay, so this is the answer. final answer. Okay, clear. Okay, Mr. Peregrine tested her class of junior and senior. Her class has 28 students in total. The average score of the class was 73, while the average score of the senior was 78, and the average score of the junior was 71. How many juniors are in the class? Okay, so we just suppose how many junior. For example, it's X, right? Then per is mean how many senior. Then suppose it's the total 28 minus X, right? Okay, now let's go to calculate the average for the whole class. Then we should have, for the junior, its average is 71. So junior's total is 71 minus X. Then plus the total score for senior. Suppose it's 78. 28 minus X. Then suppose divide the total. 28 should equal to 70. The average score of the class. We can also write it as this way. Yeah, means let the quantity go to this side. Now let's solve. So 71x, here is a negative 78x. So together it's a negative 7x. Then this go to minus, right? So if you find here has the common factor, so you just get 73 minus 78, so you get a negative 4 multiply 28. Okay, then both sides you cancel the negative 7, so this go to 4. Then x equal to 16. Oh, hold, let me see. Oh, here has a mistake. Here is not 4, it's 5. Right, 73 minus 78, yeah, it's negative 5. Then the right answer is not this. It's 4 multiply 5, we get 20, so the answer is D. Okay, this one is not in my plan. Okay, I want a leave for the readers. You do it yourself. Okay, I want to share this one. A group of people ordered Chinese food. 2 people shared 1 rice bowl. 3 people shared 1 soup. 4 people shared 1 fried chicken. Then they ordered a total of 65 dishes. How many people are in the group? Yeah, this kind of problem is really good to use the method of solve equations. Okay. So normally there are 4 steps. First one is set variable or variables. 2, build equation. 3, solve equation. 4. Check your answer to make sure it's correct. Okay. So how many people? Of course, set it as this is a whole number. I use the letter n. Then suppose as 2 people share one rice bowl, then how many rice dish or rice bowl we need? N divided by 2. Then similar since 3 people shared one soup, then n divided by 3. 4 people shared one fried chicken, so plus n over 4. Yeah, so the total should go to 65. Now let's see how to solve it. Normally, as there is a fraction, we choose first step as a clear fraction. The LCD here is, let's say, it's just 12. So both sides multiply 12. We get, here is 6n plus 4n plus 3n equal to 65 multiply 12. Yeah, you don't really need to find the product of 65 and 12. Just keep it in this kind of factor form. So this side go to 13n equal to 65. Now let's do a canceling. Of course, 13 divided by 13 go to 1. 65 divided by 13 go to 5. So n equal to 60. So the correct answer is A. Okay, that's all for this 3 problem. Thank you for watching. Again, if you feel interested, please subscribe my YouTube channel. The name is I Know Math.